my 9-year-old is going to have a go at hopefully doing a better job than me. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to get some scissors. So this one's going to be a bit different. I'm hoping that this rip that I've got on the MX5, I'm going to be able to fix it with a bit of thread and a needle. Obviously it's not going to look perfect, but if I can just sort of get that back together, it might be a bit more presentable. So I'm going to give it a go. How do you start? No idea. I suppose I'll just start here. Oh, it's going to take ages. I'm going to chuck one in here to like pull it together a little bit. That's probably not the right way to do it, but then again, none of it is. Yeah, there you go. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to get some scissors. Right, scissors. Trim that there. Okay, it's held together. It's a good start. What do I do with this? Just cut that, I guess. Right, let's get some more. And go again. Oh my god, this is looking tragic. I suppose afterwards I can give it a bit of a haircut. Get rid of all this tatty old threads. Probably should have watched a few how-tos or something before on YouTube. But never mind. We're here now, we're committed. Look at that, it's looking a bit better, to be fair. You can't see all this yellow that was there until I put it on top again. Let's trim some of this rubbish. Obviously I want to be careful, don't snip the stitches that I've done. Right, go on then, see if you can do better than me. If I just, hang on, careful, it's really, really, really sharp. Let me just find this. Snip that there. And make sure we've got enough. Hang on, something's happened here. What bit's that? Oh, that's the... Yeah, so...
Yeah, I know how to do it.
Right, go on, just be really careful. Wait, do you want to sit here?
Yeah, dude. I'm doing sewing!
Right, so there's the before.
This one.
Okay. And now,
Yeah?
my 9-year-old is going to have a go at hopefully doing a better job than me, aren't you? What are you doing? Like a cross stitch or something?
Yeah,
How do you know what you're doing?
I do.
Are you a pro at this or something?
Yeah.
I think you did a better job than me.
There we go, wait. Let me just get this little bit. Right there. Done.
Is that it? Fixed?
Yeah.
Wow.
Bye,
We'll have to have a
guys.
little vote then, won't we, to see who done the better stitching. Look at mine, look. It's a bit...
Mine is better.
It isn't actually.
I tried to do like a cross.
Yeah, shall I try and
It
just
didn't
like...
put us at the first one.
And try and just get a couple more so it doesn't pull out.
Oh, what about this bit? There's like a big spongy bit there. trampoline now.
There you go. Done.
Yeah, there's another bit here. Yeah, there is.
Oh, that's
A
right.
huge bit.
Don't make it bigger. Oh my gosh.
Okay, bye guys.
There we go. Our little job done. Hopefully it's a bit more presentable now when you get in the car, rather than having to reupholster the seat or replace the seat.
Oh, it's warm.
Three P's worth of thread and a 9-year-old is all you need. So there you go. Thanks for watching.